Listen and practice. The boy who knew no fear. Part 2. Who is there? He said, but the man in white did not say anything. Anders thought it was a ghost. Answer me, said Anders, or leave. I have to ring the bell. The priest did not move. I will not move, because then the boy will think I am a ghost, thought the priest. What do you want here? Shouted Anders. Say something, or I will throw you down the stairs. The priest thought, he doesn't really mean that. He did not move. Because the ghost did not move. Anders ran and pushed it down the stairs. The ghost fell down and shouted. Then Anders rang the bell and went to bed. The priest's wife waited for her husband. She waited a long time. Finally, she woke Anders and asked, Do you know where my husband is? He went up to the bell before you. No, I don't know, said the boy, but someone was standing up there in white. He did not answer me or leave, so I thought he was a ghost and threw him down the stairs. The woman ran up to the bell and found her husband. He was crying on the floor and had broken his leg. The next day, the priest's wife went to Anders' father and shouted, Your boy has given us great problems. He threw my husband down the stairs and broke his leg. We don't want him anymore. The father went to Anders and said, What did you do, you stupid boy? Father, said Anders, I did nothing wrong. That man stood there in a strange way. He wanted to do something bad. I asked him 3 times who he was, and he did not answer. So I threw him down the stairs. I have nothing to say to you. Leave. I will not have you in this house anymore. Of course, father, said Anders. I will go out and learn how to shudder. But the father did not hate his son, so he gave him some money, and said, Don't tell anyone who your father is. Of course, father. For a while, Anders walked around. He said many times, If only I could shudder. A few hours later, he walked past a tree. 7 men were hanged on the tree. Another man saw Anders. That boy looks very stupid, he thought. I think I will have some fun with him. So he went and spoke to Anders. Hello there. Where are you going? I'm going to learn how to shudder, said Anders. The man laughed. I can teach you how to shudder. Look at that tree. 7 men wanted to get married to a man's daughter, but the man did not like this. Now they are learning how to fly. Sit by the tree and wait for the night. By the morning, you will have learned how to shudder. Wow, it's that easy? Well, if I do learn, I will give you all my money. Perfect. Sweet dreams, So Anders went and sat by the tree and waited for the night. Because it was cold, he made a fire. There was a cold wind, and the hanged men moved in the wind. "You are probably cold up there," said Anders. So he climbed up the tree and cut down the 7 men. He put them by the fire, but they did not move. So he pushed them closer. The fire started burning their clothes. But still they did not move. "Wow, you really are quite stupid," said Anders. "I should put you back up there." The dead men did not say anything, and their clothes burned more. This made Anders quite angry. "It is dangerous. Your clothes are burning. Stupid men." So he put them back on the tree, and then went and slept by the fire. The next day, the man came and asked him, "Well, did you learn how to shudder?" "No. Those men were so stupid. They said nothing, and their clothes burned on the fire. How could I learn to shudder from them?" So Anders walked more, always saying, "If only I could shudder." Another man heard him and asked, "Who are you?" "I don't know," said Anders. "Where are you from?" "I forgot." "Who is your father?" "I cannot tell you." "And what did you say before?" "I said, if only I could shudder." "You see, I want to learn to shudder. I know who can teach you. But I want money." "Okay," said Anders, and he gave the man all his money. There is a castle near here. No man lives there. Only ghosts and strange animals live in it. If you stay in the castle for 3 nights, you will learn how to shudder. The king has said that if someone stays in the castle for 3 nights, they can get married to his daughter. She is the most beautiful woman in the world. There is also lots of gold in the castle. If you stay there 3 nights, you will become rich and have a beautiful wife. And of course, you will learn to shudder." "How wonderful," said Anders. "Many men have gone into the castle, but nobody has left." Thought Anders. Maybe it is a very comfortable castle, and they did not want to leave. End of part 2.